So this is a homework problem from the homework that was due today on Wednesday the 19th. And this is the last problem that we have to do. It's 1031.2 minus 948.5. And Nyla has already told us that our first step is to write the numbers on top of each other, lining up the decimals. So we have 1,000, maybe not. We have 1031.2. What's a good way? What's a good way to line up the decimals here? What's a safe way to do that? Awesome.
Put the decimal right underneath the other decimal that's on top.
Okay, so line up the decimals right away before you even write the number. That way you know you have it in the right place. Okay, our number is 948.5, so I know there's 5 after the decimal and 948 before. Okay, now we can subtract. So let's start with 2 minus 5. Can we do 2 minus 5? No, so what do we have to do then? Jasmine?
You have to borrow.
Have to borrow from what? The 1. So the 1 becomes a what? A 0. Okay? And where does that 1 go then that we just borrowed? Where do we put that? Alexis? Okay, so we cross out the 2 and make it a 12, correct? So, can we do this now? 12 minus 5?
Yes.
What does that give us? 7. Okay, let's make our new decimal. Now, on to here. 0 minus 8. Can we do 0 minus 8?
No.
No. So we have to do what? Borrow from what number?
3.
3. Okay, so 3 becomes what then? 3 becomes a 2. And the 0 becomes a 10. Okay, so 10 minus 8, can we do that?
Yes.
That would give us 2. Now, onto the tens place. Can we do 2 minus 4?
No.
No. So we need to borrow from what?
No. 0.
Can we borrow from the 0?
No, borrow from the 1.
We can borrow from the 1, right? The 1 becomes a what?
A 0.
A 0. Now, does that 1 that we just borrowed, this is a really good problem, does that 1 that we just borrowed go to the 2? Or do we have to put it onto the 0 first?
On the 0.
We have to put it onto the 0 first. So the 0 becomes what?
A 10.
10. Okay. And now, what do? We just have a lot of stuff here. So we're still trying to figure out what this 2 minus 4 is. So what can we do now?
Make that 10 to a 9.
Yep, we can borrow from the 10 and make it a 9. Where does that 1 go that we just borrowed, Austin?
It goes to 2.
It goes to the 2. So that becomes 12. Now, finally, can we do 12 minus 8, or 12 minus 4, I mean? That gives us what?
8.
Then 9 minus 9 gives us
0.
0 minus nothing gives us 0. So we should end up with 82.7. And that's the answer.